Hello boys and girls, this is Miss B. Today we are going to be drawing a Triceratops from the capital letter K and a crazy looking chicken from the lowercase a. So go ahead and get out a sheet of paper and a Sharpie or a pencil or marker, whatever you want to draw with, and get ready to draw. While you're getting that, I'm going to go ahead and read my next Bob Ross quote. This one says, "Whatever makes you happy, put it in your world." And that's so true. Our drawings are our own creation. They're our own little world. We get to decide what to put in them. All right, y'all ready? Our paper's going up and down. We're gonna make sure we have plenty of space for our uppercase K and our lowercase k. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the uppercase one, making it pretty big, because obviously it's uppercase. It's gonna be a bigger one. And a little space over and down. Do my lowercase k. Make that a little taller. I'm sure your kindergarten, first grade teachers could tell me what I need to do to make it better, make it more legible, but bear with me. I'm the artist. I'm not necessarily the drawing or the writing teacher. All right, step one for the actual drawing are the eyeballs. Oh, and Bella's back. Hello, Bella. You hanging out with us? We're gonna draw a circle right here, right where they meet. Little dot, eyeball number one. And I'm gonna do a little curve, whoop, very close to it. Eyeball number two. Right here, this is gonna be the little snout, so I'm gonna draw horn. Doo, doo. This is the little nostrils, two little bumps right there. All right, next, I'm gonna go ahead and make this horn one. Then from here, I'm gonna go back down for horn number two. Y'all got it? Again, just pause if I'm going too quick for y'all at any point. All right, from here, I'm gonna go ahead and make a big curve around for the heady head and put little spikes. Now, if you left yourself more room than me, good job. I definitely did not leave myself enough room. But that's okay. Sometimes things just change as we draw and we have to adapt with them. All right, once you get that part done, draw a little bitty line going down. And I'm making mine a happy guy, so I'm gonna make him smile. Give him some little teethy teeth. Aw, he's already kind of cute, isn't he? Even though he's a little crazy looking. I'm gonna go ahead and draw a little curve out and down. Curve over, up. This is leg number one. And again, I'm having to squish his little body in there because I didn't plan this out. Oh no. Curve across. That's his belly. He's a little chubby. Two Mr. Verticals. Little curve. And then I'm going to do a long, thin curve right under here for his chinny chin chin. Whoop. There we go. And how many feet do Triceratops have? That's right, 4. So I got to draw the two other ones because can't just have two. And I don't have to draw the whole thing because they are, that's right, overlapped. They're not in the front. Now for my little tail, oh goodness, let's see if I can fit this tail. Ah, teeny tiny baby tail. But hopefully you have more room than I do. To make little toes, it's just like 3 little ends stuck together. Just a few curves. If you want to add a little bit of curving texture for the nose, or maybe you want to do some curves in the horns, you can. This is your little dude or dudette if you want it to be a girl. All right, on to our lowercase k. Are you guys ready? If you need a minute, just go ahead and pause the video. I will keep on drawing. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve right here. And another curve. And I'm going to make this line a little bit longer. And these are our 2 crazy eyeballs. Little dot, little dot. And right in here, this is going to be our beaky beak. So I'm just going to draw a curve across. Whoop, there's the beak. It's a little crazy, I know. All right, I'm going to go up and over. That's the top of this guy's head. Draw 3 curves. That's the top of the little chicken. Line down. And from here, I'm going to draw 2 little lines going down for the long neck. 2 curves going out. This is the body. I know it's a really crazy looking chicken. Little curve here. This is the top beak and the bottom beak, okay? And for our wings, I'm just gonna do 2 slightly curving lines going down. Bubble, 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 in. Bubble, 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 in. Curve across. Even just looking at this guy makes me laugh. All right, and the legs. 2 little Mr. Verticals. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Teeny tiny lines. Anything else you choose to add is up to you. Do you want to give them some food? Do you want to make them friends? Maybe make the chicken Triceratops pet? Just let me know. I was today years old when I found out y'all could not comment in the YouTube comments. So if you do want to share your artwork with me, I would love for y'all to send me a class dojo, or you can send me an email off of my website at BES. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to be awesome. I love you, and goodbye.